Good morning, wonderful families. Please join my channel. Make sure you watch this video for small clarity. If you are doing incentive and you are still finding it difficult to join their telegram, this one in particular, this telegram, if you are still finding, because I noticed that some people are finding it difficult to join this telegram, what you have to do is just copy the name, move back to your telegram channel. If you go to your telegram channel, search for incentive, then join from there. When you join from there, then come back and click on join telegram. It will be much easier than when you are trying to join from here. You'll be having some difficulties. Sure, you get? So if you go to telegram and search for the name incentive, join from there, then come back here, click on join, it will just mark, then you join, you submit your email, claim your early badge, then copy your referral link. It's done, nothing much. Please, if today is your first day of coming to this channel, please do not make it your last day. Please, your baby girl is begging you. Like, subscribe, and share for others to follow for a little video like this. Thank you, and God bless you all.